How to disable Snapchat Spotlight. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you disable Snapchat Spotlight. So let's get started. First, as you have to open Snapchat with your account. After you open Snapchat, you'll get this kind of interface. From your at the top left, tap on your profile icon. From your profile section, at the top right, tap on settings. From the settings section, you'll have to scroll down and tap on notification. From the notification section, you'll have to again scroll down and find out the options like Spotlight and Snap Map Submission. After you find it, you'll have to just tap on that and turn it off. After you turn it off, you'll not be able to get occasional notification about the snap you have submitted to Snapchat or Snap Map. After you turn it off, back from here and from the main section of your Snapchat, tap on the spotlight icon at the bottom right. After you tap on that, you'll be able to find your Snapchat spotlight videos. And from here, if you want to ignore the topic that are showing on your Snapchat spotlight, simply you'll have to just tap on the three dot, or you can also long press and tap on the screen. And from here, simply tap on the option not interested. After you tap on that, that video will be gone on your show less content on your Snapchat. And that's it. This is the method you can try to disable Snapchat Spotlight on your app. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.